Welcome back to Craig Gamers. Today we are back in Age of Apps, where our goal is to grow up from a small monkey into the storage in apps in the jungle. Well, collect bananas, level up, defect, dangerous, enemies, and take on a space boss battle. So grab banana and it is being. The adventure starts in a quiet jungle. Every looks perfectful and painful, but we are not trouble whitening and around every corner. Out of the first mission is a collect is many bananas possible because banana is the key to becoming storage. Us move forward and find or more bananas test and every bananas increase or strength and help you unlock a new a bell to butt steadily and well crocodile appearance from the revive. Now you collect a reward and level up or monkey becomes storage unlocks and new skill and is the ready finger challenges. The part ahead of is final. Enemies monkeys some attack with a club while other around rock from a distance. We use smart movement attack at the right time and defect that is owned by one. After clearing the area, we discover a hidden cave full of bananas. A value rescue that gives use energy power and upgrade of level equipment and the prepare for the next mission. But our real challenge is the still ahead against a global boss. Is gorilla boss grunting next that the battle boom the best. We need perfect timing quickly. Dog is and the powerful attack to win. Well, the defect, the boss becomes the king of the jungle. Watch Unity and to find out if you enjoyed adventure. We are storage that ever but our journey is fair from over today. We are hitting the most dangerous part of the jungle. Roams the way say that on monkey has every turned off from this place, but we are not turning back soon. Once we enter the trees and become the track and in the sky and guess the tracks and challenge a sound come from the every discussion. Something goes feel right. We keep collect bananas because every upgrade cloud and save the our life. Suddenly a group for wild enemies monkey jumps in from out from the bush. They are the fast, but we are the fast. We are dog is the left attack or roll away and land powerful comeback. The enemies drop rescue our area. Bananas is upgrade maintenance. We are continues deeper into the jungle. Unity and reach all old abandoned temple. Inside in the temple, hidden the temple and trusted and cast and open the first cast. Amazing rare requirement. The second chest counting the hugging a mountain of bananas. But opening the thread and just activate a trap. Hug storage and wells are being into close in run. We are straight together in temple if avoid feeling rock and jump our rocking bread and space just in time outside the temple. We are here midway around against mental gorilla appears. There's a mini boss and incredible powerful. Their fight being the gorilla smash the ground of sprinting stalking across the battlefield. We are dogged. Attack the weight the form the perfect opening and stick with the everything. We are caught at the battle. Let us the survive a minute finally. On the last powerful attack, the monster and gorilla failed. They fear the monkey battle and unlock legendary reward. Or monkey reach the around a level unlocking new availabilities and become storage and there ever before. But just up we are celebrating a mystery and map and appear. The map point to the unknown Iceland where the every finger emanates winning and biting. What a secret to the not Iceland and hold. Where are find out the next episode. Now it challenges the monkey being at the bottom of the tower, every floor and the pick with the eminent monkey dangerous trap and hidden a reward. We collect the bananas just to increase our powerful before the real battle begins. Every banana makes the storage and we're fast and ready for the next challenge. As the Climben and Hungry and enemies become together, some attack with the hammers while the other throwing rocks from the board. Then the doggies average attack in the fight or every the next floor. Out of the tower we unlock a new skill that deal messages and begging the respectful going to the need. The chamber gets every hidden spins and blading and fleeing the rocks and the collapsing and breaking the try to stop and the butt with the keep moving. Finally we are reached top end of the tower. The ground starts shaking and against the gorilla boss appears with the energy roll. Boss fire being the boss jogging the strings and you be the doggies then the last second up in the country with the powerful comeback. That boss is small and to the ground and create your hug and shocking beat the jump over with the continue attacking and bananas hitting. That boss is now at 55% health part is getting the faster and storage. And strong is the last habits in the fight we are the head of the fire. We are keep moving every attack and with the perfectful opening the boss almost defended. Only final space and attack. Boom. That gorilla boss the fields of ground and the victory of the year. We collect the legendary reward bananas and powerful upgrade maintenance. Our monkey becomes storage dam. Every unlock the next stage of the adventure. If you enjoy this phase of Big Four, the boss fight. Now listening man, you subscribe now my channel Craig Gamers. Like and share and subscribe please. Age of Apps. And today we are back to pages. Mission is simple: survive and level collective banana and from the storage and monkey in the jungle is jump sting into the action. As soon as the game is gone, now monkey is out. Now my channel Craig Gamer, US YouTuber and Craig Gamer. Craig Gamer is my channel and like, share and subscribe. That is proclaimed that the boss of leader finger and challenges the monkey, some attack close and rescue the gift mission, but telling you the boss fight never go like and the fight